Alright guys, this is my 2009 Volvo S60 2.5T. This is a front wheel drive model. I just wanted to do a quick video on the Snabb cold air intake, or fresh air pipe as they call it on their website. I haven't seen much about this cold air intake on YouTube, so I wanted to just share some information for you guys. So I purchased it maybe about 3 or 4 months ago off of their website, and I installed it back then, and I've been really happy with it. Makes a really good sound, especially whenever you let go of the throttle. It'll release the air, and that sounds really good. You can hear it all the way inside of the cabin, and also whenever you're under harder acceleration, it starts whistling. It's like a high-pitched whistle. It's actually pretty loud. I have my music up most of the time, and you can hear it. You can hear it over the music. So I also purchased this Spectra air filter off of Amazon. At first I thought it might have been a little too big, but if it's just perfect, I overall really like it. I'll include the link down below. So as far as the install, it was a bit tedious because you have to get under the car to install it, and my dad and he helped me. It took us maybe about 2 hours. We both had pretty big hands, so there's not much space to work with down there. You just have to connect the silicone turbo inlet down there directly onto the turbo, and then probably the hardest part is trimming the PTC, the preheater grommet, and then sticking it in there. But I believe FCP Euro has a video, and I watched that, and that really helped me. But yeah, I'll include some clips of how it sounds at the end, and I definitely recommend you buy it. It's a really good investment because the sounds that it makes sound really good. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you would like to see any more videos on it, maybe more in depth of, I guess, the install or something. Thank you guys for watching.